Sports Research, Collagen Peptides Review and Benefits. Description: Hydrolyzed type I and 3 collagen. Healthy skin and hair. Supports bones and joints. Stirs in and mixes easily. Dietary Supplement. Igen, GMO tested, Igen program non-GMO validated. Gluten-free. Keto Friendly. Certified Paleo Friendly. Grass-fed, Pasture-Raised. Good manufacturing practice, GMP certified, manufactured in a GMP facility. Non-BPA. Senior hydrolyzed collagen peptides provide clinically researched, low molecular weight peptides which help support the integrity, elasticity, regeneration and strength of bodily connective tissues, including skin, bones, cartilage, ligaments and tendons. Benefits: bone and joint health, supports bone health and may help restore healthy joint matrix. Beauty, supports skin elasticity and fight against visible signs of skin aging. Connective tissue, with 18 amino acids known to support tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Gut-friendly, hydrolyzed for easy digestion and better absorption. Suggested use: as a dietary supplement, healthy adults combine 1 scoop into your favorite beverage or meal once daily and mix thoroughly. Helpful tip: collagen peptides will clump in cold water. To enjoy collagen peptides in cold liquid, simply mix into room temperature liquid first and then add ice. Options to enjoy: drink, add to your morning coffee, tea, orange juice, or protein shake and smoothies. Eat, mix 1/2–1 scoop into oatmeal, sip or yogurt for additional nutritional support. Warnings. Notice: collagen is not a complete protein. Do not use to replace dietary protein or for weight reduction. Our collagen peptides do not contain any of the 8 major allergens identified by FALCPA. Caution: keep out of the reach of children and pets. Consult with a qualified healthcare professional prior to using this product, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have diagnosed medical conditions, or are taking prescription medications. Do not exceed recommended daily intake. Do not use if seal is damaged or missing. Storage information: store in a cool, dry place. Keep lid tightly sealed. Do not expose product to excessive light, heat or moisture. This product is packaged by weight, not volume. Settling of contents occurs over time and cannot be avoided. Variations in aroma, color, taste and solubility may occur. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.